Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Jalan here. I'm calling from Vatsalya Kids Preschool. We are an affordable, budgeted, premium preschool. We are offering playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG. We are participating in this virtual franchisee fair organized by Franchisee Apply on 19th and 20th of June. The USP of our school is basically, as I said, that we are a affordable, budgeted, premium preschool. We are not taking any franchisee fee. The franchisee is given for lifetime, but it will be renewed every 3 years. We are also not taking any royalty in the first year. From second year, the royalty will be 5% only. The package cost, the schools which we are going to give you will be on a package based with material and with support system which we are going to give you. The package cost will be from 1 to 5 lakh of rupees. Our curriculum is based on Playway method and Montessori method both. We are offering other classes along with this, like handwriting improvement courses and also abacus courses, which will add up to your revenue also. Along with this, we are going to give you a lot of other things, like we are going to give you online homeschooling right now, which is an in thing right now for the students. The online homeschooling will be shared with a link. The link will cover all the academics, the worksheets, homework, classwork, the activities, the celebrations. Everything will be covered in this link, which will be made day wise, time wise, month wise to you. We'll be also giving you an ERP software wherein you can have all your inquiries and admissions and fee receipts. Another USP of ours is that we are going to offer a finance option for the parents, in which they can pay the total fees in 10 EMI, and the school will receive the total fees in 1 EMI only. Other USP also which we are offering is the site selection. We are giving you the site design, recruitment and training support, designing support, academic support and marketing support also. The area which we require is about 1000 to 2000 square feet. That means 3 to 5 rooms is what we require. And the cost of the package, as I told you earlier also, is 1 to 5 lakh only, with material and support system. We will be giving you all the furnitures and the setup in this package only. As we are applying through this, we are going through this exhibition. You can apply through Franchisee Apply, or you can call us or WhatsApp us at 99109 70949, or you can apply through our website also, www.vatsalyakids.com. Thank you.